So you need a website for your business. Well, it sounds simple, right? Wrong. You basically got two options: either hire a developer, which can cost thousands of dollars and take weeks, or try to figure out WordPress yourself. And if you've ever opened WordPress, you know it's very easy to get overwhelmed quite quickly. There are plugins, themes, page builders, hosting, And here's the thing, most businesses don't need something complicated. They just need a clean, professional website that actually works. Surely this is where AI comes in to save the day. So today I have an AI-powered website builder that literally creates your entire site in minutes. No coding, no WordPress confusion, just a simple, smart tool that does the heavy lifting for you. Let me show you exactly how to build a website for your business in 5 minutes. So the tool that we're going to be using to build our websites very quickly is this tool called Onepage.ai, and we can use this little box. You've probably seen them a lot, where you can just make any changes that you want, and AI will go off and make the changes on your website. So when you sign up, you just need to create a new project up here, and you can create this site with AI. So now you'll have one of these input boxes where you can describe all about your business. So I found an example site that we can rebuild here with AI. It's a decent website, it looks okay, and I mean they're real business. I found that they're using WordPress here. So instead of going into WordPress and doing all of that, buying, hosting, all of that, we can do this in one platform. So a short, simple prompt works best. Just describe exactly what it is you want, and then you can choose the style. So this is going to change everything about your website. So it can be dark mode or light mode, or it can be direct. So if you want just a direct style, it would be like more trying to sell exactly what it is, your core message or goal. I think for this website, a formal would be good because, you know, it's a serious business, hauling and shipping. So with that, you can also change the language and region if you want to do that. But with that, let's just build our website now with this click. So this is the planning stage now. It's thinking and building all our different sections. So each section of the website, the header at the top, the hero you can see there, the advantages of our service and our features, testimonials, all these things. You can actually add different sections here if you want to add them, or take away as well if you want to delete them. But I'm happy with that, so let's go. So now all of our different sections are going to be created. You can see them all being created now with our phone number, and any changes you want to do, then it's just simple to add and change them. We'll do that now in a minute, but you can see our whole website is being generated now perfectly by AI. Okay, our website was done in about 30 seconds. It looks pretty nice. It looks clean. Got nice photos and all. It doesn't look overwhelming to me. I really like the design. I think it looks good. And then basically all you need to do is go in and change things. So I'll show you how to do that now. So if you want to make little changes, you can just click on the words here and just change them as you want. You can change the whole layout here by just clicking, layout alternative here. So if this is a more important section, maybe you might want to make it bigger, or that one. Actually, I like the way it is at the start. That looks good. So like, it really is that simple to create your website. If you want to do this on WordPress or something, you need to use like a word builder or something like that. So you can just change the phone numbers here, whatever it is, your phone number. It's that easy to change your website. If you want to change the design, you can go in here to change your different color palettes, or your fonts. If you like different fonts, you can just one click change it all. Or if there are photos that don't match exactly what it is, I think most of these are good. Maybe you don't want this one. You can also add custom code if you need to change anything that you want, or if you need more pages, then you can use this AI widget here, and we can say, let's say, for example, create a multi-step form. So add a questionnaire. So I could just say something like add a relevant survey for people coming to my website. And now you have the AI agent that's going to create the form for you. So now we have a form here, and of course we don't want it here below the footer, so we can just click move up, and boom. That was super simple. There's also the back end of the section here with the CRM, so you can collect leads for your business and then add more pages here as you wish. So of course, you want to publish your domain now to whatever it is your website might be, hauling.com. You can publish it here for free or connect your custom domain. Usually you need to go and buy a custom domain. Then you just need to buy your own domain in Namecheap or something like that and connect it here, just through the A records here with the registrar of where you want to buy your name. So I told you it only takes 5 minutes nowadays to create a website with AI. Don't bother creating a website with WordPress if you just need a simple business website. If you need a web app or something like that, AI can also do that. So subscribe to the channel if you want more lessons about AI website builders and AI app builders. Thanks for watching.